Afternoon, painters and decorators of the interweb. Really short, really short video. Can you hear him a bit echoey? I'm in the van. Got a nice van, nice Transit, mini Transit, Connect. I think it's time I need to do a free giveaway. We're coming up to nearly 2,000 subscribers and I'm really impressed. I've got nearly 2,000 subscribers already. So I thought, let's get to 2,000 subscribers and a little bit more and we'll do a free giveaway. Now I thought to myself, I've been talking with my wife, what should we do? Free giveaway. Now, we've come to the conclusion, or I've come to the conclusion, it's time to give away a bit of a reference book. And you'll say, Phil, what reference book? What reference book? Well, back in the day when I was at college 30 years ago, it's over 30 years ago now because I went to college 32 years ago now. So the September of 1990, I started Basildall College in Nottingham. Now, one of the reference books that we got at college was this, and it's the Painting and Decorating and Information Manual. Now, as you can see, it's 3rd edition. This was in effect like the Bible for us at college, telling us all the ins and outs, all the bits and pieces. And we used to refer to it as calling it the 5 authors book, because I don't know if you can see, there's 5 authors. Can we see that? There's 5 authors listed there. And I thought it'd be really nice to give away a book just like this to you, one of my subscribers, and you've got to be a subscriber of my channel. Give away the new version of this. Now, I've looked on Amazon, you can get the new version of this. It's on edition 6. So what I'm saying, I will pay and I will order it through Amazon or wherever I can get it, and get it delivered to you if you are in the UK with a UK postcode, so it's not going to cost me too much on postage. I will send and give away one of these to you if you are a subscriber of the channel. And you're going to say, how do we know that you're a subscriber? Well, I'm going to rely on you that you've clicked that like button, subscribed, even press that bell. And what I'm going to ask you to do is, in the comments below, just put a comment to say that you're subscribed and you'd like to be in to the draw to win the new up-to-date version of this book that I'll send out to you for free, and it can be your reference guide. If you've already got one of these, you might want the updated version, and you'll say, well, I didn't go to college. Well, if you didn't go to college, this would be a really good book for you to have. And even now, for me, it's still a good reference guide. There's stuff in here that's quite an interesting read. You've got, I've even marked little pages, little post-it notes. They've got all the equipment you use, equipment for paper hanging. I go to a section here. Let's move it across. It's got a section on spraying, because we all say, oh, there's no colleges doing spraying. Well, back in the day at college, I did spraying, albeit you only touch a little bit on each section of what you do, but college gives you the grounding and the technical stroke, not the practical side of stuff so much, because that's what you did your apprenticeship for. You did your apprenticeship and you did your practical side while you're at work, and you did 1 day a week at college learning the theory side. And this book gives you the theory, can you just see it, of spraying, tells you about spray guns, the different sorts of spray equipment you've got, HVLPs and all like that. Even down to right at the back, we've got a section telling you all about door components and the names of doors. I'm just going to find it for you just there. All because you've seen my videos on painting doors. Tells you all about the doors. There's health and safety in it. There's bits about first aid, and this is all what's in this book. Now, the newer version isn't a 5 authors book, it's a 6 authors book. It's been revised and there's all more new stuff in it. And as you can see just on there, I mean, at the time, can we focus on that? It's including the advanced craft technology side of stuff, and that's probably why it's picking up on the spraying equipment. Now when I was at college, you used to do, it was City and Guilds. It was level 1 in your first year, level 2 in your second year, and level 3 third year gave you the craft certificate, which was a proper City and Guilds qualification. Now if you wanted to carry on with that and do another year into my 4th year, because I was day release, I did the advanced craft. So it took me 4 years of day release at college to get advanced craft, and while I wasn't at college I'd be working, because that's what an apprenticeship was, and time served. You do college and work, not just at college full time, it was a bit of both. So I'm prepared to send somebody out. If you've already got this book as an old version and you want a new version of it, get your name down below, say that you're subscribed, and also, because it's probably easier, please also follow the link in the bio for Instagram, because that's probably how it's going to be easier for me to contact you. So please comment below to say that you would like to be in for the draw. Once we've gone over 2,000 subscribers, you'd like to be in for the draw to win one of these updated versions of the Painting and Decorating book. Please comment. Also make sure you've gone across to Instagram, so that's the way that I'm going to be able to contact you. And in the next few weeks, because we're coming up to middle of May at the moment, we're nearly at the 2,000, and I think in the next couple of weeks to 3 weeks we're going to turn over 2,000 subscribers. Well, doing a free giveaway, we might do it even quicker, but we'll call it beginning of June. We might be at 2,000 or more subscribers. And what I'll do, because I've got the software on my computer, I can do a random generated subscriber, and that'll be the person who wins. Now that person who'll win has to comment down below, so I know that they're actually wanting to win this book. So it won't be random as in random, anybody will win it of my subscribers. It's got to be one of you that's commented below and said that they're subscribed, and also commented to say they're on Instagram following us as well. And that's how you're going to win your book. So it's going to be a free giveaway, it won't cost you anything. I'll get it sent to you directly via Amazon, so we haven't got to pay for postage twice, and you'll win one of these. And it's a good reference book, whether you're at college now or been to college or not been to college, or a DIYer. This is the book you need. It tells you everything you need to know about drying processes of different paints, how to work out jobs, the starting process of starting at the top and working down, which I know is turned upside down if you do a lot of spraying, because you'll do your woodwork first. Probably in the new version of the book it tells you about doing your woodwork first when you're doing spraying. So you do ceilings, then I spoke about that before. So yeah, we're doing an under a 10-minute video. If you want to win one of these, get subscribed. Only a subscriber of the Phil Beckwith Painter and Decorator channel on YouTube will be able to win this book, but you've got to make sure that you comment below, and that's where we're going to do looking down. If you're a winner, I've got to make sure I see your name on that comments below. So I'll leave it at there. Oh, by the way, can you see just below there is give thanks. If you want to send me some money by pressing that thanks button, much appreciated. Any money goes towards, not the Porsche fund, it'll go towards new camera software, new camera bits and pieces that I need, and probably some software for some video editing. So that's where the money will go. So we'll talk about that on another video, shall we? Yeah, but there's a thanks button now. Brilliant. Over and out. 2,000 subscribers soon. Prize. You'll win it. In it to win it.